Today we're going to use the Kurzweil 3000 Automator to convert multiple PDF files at a single time. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and I'm excited to share with you this very important tool. Let's jump right in. I have 10 PDF files that I'm going to move into my start folder, which is called _in. After launching the K3000 Automator, I can select the start file that I want to use. And in this example, I have a folder on my desktop called in. And then the destination of where the process files will go is in the out folder that I created on my desktop. I have these 10 files inside of my in folder. I have my username and password entered for the Automator. And when I'm ready, I'm going to select OK. Kurzweil will then launch and perform OCR on the files. I know that it's working because in the bottom right corner of the screen, the page count is shifting through each one of the pages. Now, as each one of the files are completed, they will be placed inside of that out folder. Each time that Kurzweil finishes a file, it will close and then relaunch the file. It will relaunch the program again to continue the conversion of the files. And I'm just going to let this run through, and I'll see you when all of these files have been completed. Once the files are completed, I can go into the out folder, and this is where all of my Kurzweil files are. You can load this up with hundreds of files, but there is the occasional time where there will be an error, and if there is an error, the program will stop. For more videos on useful assistive technology tips like Kurzweil and others, please check out the description in this video. I'm going to link to other playlists that I created, which will cover these important tools more in depth. As always, I can be your personal accessibility expert. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.